Good morning, Philippines. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has addressed the recent legal challenges against the 2025 General Appropriations Act, or GAA. Speaking in a press briefing, the President characterized to move the questions the budgets constitutionally before the Supreme Court as a part of the legislation. The legal action in question seeks to scrutinize specific allocations and provisions within the 2025 national budget. Alleging potential constitutional violations, critics argue that certain budgetary items may infringe upon established legal frameworks and principles. President Marcos dismissed these allegations, asserting that budgets underwent through deliberation and was crafted in adherence to constitutional mandates. He emphasized that administration primary focus remains on implementing programs and projects designed to benefit the Filipino people. The President further suggestions that legal challenges is politically motivated, aiming to undermine the government's initiatives and sow discord among the populace. He remains vigilant and seeming urgent, then not to sway by actions he described as attempts to destabilize. As the Supreme Court prepares to deliberate of the case, legal experts note the outcome could be significant implications for the administration, fiscal policies, and the execution of planned projects for upcoming year. The nation awaits the judicial assessments of budgets constitutionally, a decision that will undoubtedly influence the political and economic landscapes moving forward. Back to you in the studio.